This is the UConnect 5, which is the new generation that is available in 2021 vehicles, Durango, Pacifica, and the new Grand Cherokee. And it's been retrofitted into a 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, regular, it's a Summit model. As you can see, all the buttons work, media, comfort, screen off, screen on, mute. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, no wire. You can go Google Maps. You can have Apple, Spotify, you do have one, and the built-in navigation. Calculating the route, it gives you different alternatives, just like this is powered by TomTom navigation, and you can go ahead and ride. Also, it has the new very fast, very responsive, very fast processor, and it has all 3D maps that you can go into a city and you can see the buildings all in 3D mode. Okay. So all the functions work. AM and FM and USB.